All right, looking to do full replacement on this unit. We are down in the basement, just right off the stairs here. This is not a walkout basement. It's all unfinished flooring here, all concrete. It's a York condensing furnace. It's 120,000 BTU, 3-inch 2-pipe, running out right over there. 5-ton coil. It's all D-width. It's 40-inch tall furnace. 2 returns. You got the main return and a wraparound. Main return here is 16 by 24. And then on the back here, got an 8 by 16. Wraps around the corner. It's 8 by 16. Only got about 3 inches right there to play with, which I guess the best thing to do I'm thinking how we could get an April air box in here. You know, we don't need necessarily 16 inches wide. If we did like a 14 by 24, maybe a 12 by 24. I'll have to do some work on that and get back to you on the checklist. Just follow the instructions on that one. Gas lines, electrical lines, an old humidifier, bypass humidifier. Line sets are in good shape. They're running straight out the back, right over there. Just need to flush those. Drains right behind the unit here. It's pretty good room to work around. And panels over here if you need it.